Hello dear friends. In the previous session we have studied about urbanization, and in this session we will study about positive impact of urbanization. So before going to the actual discussion, let us first study urbanization. Let us first again discuss urbanization in short. So urbanization, it refers to the population shift from rural areas to urban areas and the gradual increase in the proportion of people living in the urban areas and the ways in which each society adapts to its changes. We have also studied that urbanization is not a modern phenomenon, but it is a rapid and historic transformation of human social roots on a global scale whereby predominantly rural culture is being replaced by predominantly urban culture. And now let us discuss about the outline which shows us the impact of urbanization. So in the previous session, we have studied about causes of urbanization, that is natural increase in population and migration from rural to urban areas. And secondly, the impact of urbanization or the consequences of urbanization are infrastructure development, and this impacts transport and it has an impact on environment, housing and also health management system. So here in this session, we are going to study about the positive impacts of urbanization. So in this chart, we can simply see that urbanization, it affects housing. Secondly, water supply and sanitation, water and pollution, health, food, economic and social system. But here in this session, we are going to study about the positive impact of urbanization, or we can say that what are the advantages of urbanization. So let's begin with the positive impact of urbanization. So here we can see that the consequences or the impact of urbanization can be either a positive impact or a negative impact. Negative impact, we can say that in other words, these are the challenges which are faced due to urbanization. So here in this session, we are going to discuss about only the positive impact of urbanization. So the positive impacts of urbanization, they are very simple, and let us discuss these in a point-wise manner. So first, the developing towns or cities, or we can say that the thriving towns and cities, they are the essential elements of a prosperous national economy. This means that the prosperous national economy is due to the development of towns and cities. Secondly, there is also innovation and development in business, science, technology, and industries, and this is possible due to urbanization or due to the population which is shifting from rural areas to towns and cities. And this development occurs due to the gathering of economic and human resources in towns and cities. We also know that education, health, social services are more readily available to people in cities, and the child survival rates, they are also higher in cities. And then providing essential goods and services, it is much easier for the government and utilities, and it is easier in towns and cities as compared to villages. It is also seen that development of human resources, it takes place due to good schools, colleges and universities. And we also know that variety of educational courses, they are available for making a bright future or for making a bright career, and the students have a wide choice for a selection of a career. It is also seen that in big towns and cities, there is a breakdown of social and cultural barriers. It is possible only in cities because people of many different classes and many different religions live in cities. And this creates a better understanding and harmony among the people, and therefore the social and the cultural barriers, they are least in cities or towns. And we can also see that advanced communication and transport facilities or networks, they are also available in big cities and towns. So in this manner, we have discussed about the positive impact or the positive consequences of urbanization. And in the next session, we will be studying about the challenges which are faced due to urbanization or the negative impact of urbanization.